Are you tired of relationships draining your wallet and your spirit? Do you find yourself constantly supporting partners who can't stand on their own 2 feet financially? Let's face it, dating someone who's financially unstable can be a significant burden. It's not just about money, it's about shared values, goals, and lifestyles. Here's why you should never date broke women and focus on finding a financially responsible partner. First and foremost, financial stability is a sign of maturity and responsibility. When you date someone who has their finances in order, it shows they can plan for the future and make sound decisions. This trait often extends to other areas of life, making for a more balanced and fulfilling relationship. Secondly, dating a financially stable woman means you're less likely to be taken advantage of. Unfortunately, some people enter relationships primarily for financial gain. By choosing a partner who's self-sufficient, you can be more confident that they're with you for the right reasons: love, companionship, and mutual growth. Moreover, financial compatibility is crucial for long-term relationship success. When you and your partner are on the same page about money matters, it reduces stress and conflict. You can plan for the future together, whether it's saving for a house, planning vacations, or preparing for retirement, without one person bearing the entire financial burden. Consider the impact on your own financial health. Dating someone who's constantly in financial trouble can drag you down too. You might find yourself paying for everything, lending money that's never repaid, or even jeopardizing your own credit score. By choosing a financially stable partner, you're protecting your own financial well-being and future. Another important aspect is the quality of life you can enjoy together. When both partners are financially stable, you have more freedom to experience life fully. You can try new restaurants, travel, pursue hobbies, and create memorable experiences without constantly worrying about money. Financial stability often correlates with ambition and drive. A woman who's financially independent is likely to have career goals and aspirations. This can lead to a more dynamic relationship where both partners support and inspire each other to grow professionally and personally. It's also worth considering the potential for building wealth together. Two financially responsible individuals can pool their resources, make smart investments, and work toward shared financial goals more effectively. This teamwork can lead to a more secure and prosperous future for both of you. Let's not forget about the emotional aspect. Financial stress is one of the leading causes of relationship problems. By choosing a partner who's financially stable, you're reducing a significant source of potential conflict and tension in your relationship. This can lead to a more harmonious and enjoyable partnership. Additionally, a financially stable partner is more likely to have a balanced life. They probably have interests and hobbies they can afford to pursue, a social life they can maintain, and the ability to take care of their health and well-being. This balance contributes to a healthier, more well-rounded relationship. It's important to note that financial stability doesn't necessarily mean wealth. It's about responsible financial management, living within one's means, and having a plan for the future. A woman who earns a modest income but manages it well can be a much better partner than someone with a high income who's constantly in debt. Remember, discussing finances early in a relationship is crucial. It doesn't have to be an awkward conversation. Simple observations about spending habits, career goals, and future plans can give you insights into a person's financial mindset. However, it's essential to approach this topic with empathy and understanding. Everyone has different circumstances and backgrounds that shape their financial situation. The key is to find someone who shares your values about money and is actively working towards financial stability, even if they're not there yet. In conclusion, while love should be the foundation of any relationship, ignoring financial compatibility can lead to significant problems down the road. By choosing to date financially stable women, you're setting yourself up for a more balanced, stress-free, and fulfilling relationship. Have you dated a poor partner before? Tell us your experience in the comment section down below. If you are not following me, you may not see me again. Follow me for more amazing contents like this.